Before you buy or sell an iPhone, make sure it's not fake. 1. Check the model number. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on About. Here, you'll find your iPhone's model number. The first letter of this code reveals how your iPhone was manufactured. Let's decode it. If your model number starts with M, your iPhone was purchased brand new from Apple. If it starts with F, it's a refurbished unit. If it begins with N, that means it was a replacement device. If it starts with P, it's a personalized iPhone. And in rare cases, if it begins with 5, it's a special warranty or demo unit. 2. Serial number on Apple's website. Next, in the same About section, press and hold on your serial number and tap Copy. Then open your browser and visit checkcoverage.apple.com. Paste your serial number in the box. If your serial number is valid, you'll see your iPhone model, purchase date, and coverage details. That means your device is authentic. If the website doesn't recognize your serial number, it could be fake or tampered. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe for more Apple tutorials.